Welcome back to Terratern. Today I'm talking about a crucial part of IELTS reading test, the short answer question. This section can be a bit tricky, but with the right strategies you can excel in it. Let's start by understanding what this part of the test is all about. In the short answer question section, you are presented with a passage of text followed by a series of questions. Your task is to read the passage carefully and answer each question using no more than 3 words. This means that your answer must be concise, accurate, and directly taken from the text. For instance, let's consider a passage about the Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth in the passage. You might find out that the Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen and covers a vast area of 5.5 million square kilometers. Indigenous communities have lived in a harmony with the environment of 4,000 of years, but today the Amazon faces significant challenges like deforestation, which threatens its delicate ecosystem. Conservation efforts, including reforestation projects, are being made to protect this crucial part of our planet. Based on these passages, a typical short answer question could be: what percentage of the world oxygen is produced by Amazon rainforest? The answer would be 20%. Notice how the answer is brief and taken directly from the passage. Another question might be: how many square kilometers does Amazon rainforest cover? To which you would respond 5.5 million. Now, here are a few tips to help you tackle these questions successfully. First, skim the passage, get general understanding of the content. This helps you to know where to find the information quickly when answering the questions. Read the question carefully. Pay attention to the keywords in each question. These keywords will guide you to the relevant part of the passage. Be concise and precise. Remember, you can only use up to 3 words. Stick to the exact wording from the passage. This is not the time to paraphrase. Practice regularly. Like all parts of the IELTS, practice is a key. The more you practice reading passage and answering these types of a question, the more comfortable you will become with the format. To conclude, short answer question in the IELTS reading test require focus and precision by understanding the passage thoroughly and using the strategies I have shared today. You can boost your confidence and performance in this section. Remember, the key to success is practice and preparation. Thank you, and I wish you all the best in your IELTS preparation. If you found these videos helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Terratern for more tips on building your career abroad.